Hi, I'm Chris Heastand. I'm the maker of boss.dev, and I'd like to show you how you can use Boss to create and earn bounties just by using GitHub. Once your Boss account is set up, you only have to go to GitHub to create and earn bounties. All right, let's see how this works. Let's create a new issue. Bug report. And don't forget to add details here. All right, this is a big blocker for us. Please help. /boss $1,000. So what we've done here is we've attached a $1,000 bounty to this issue to incentivize other people to fix it. But maybe you could actually fix this issue yourself too, but your time isn't free. So let's put a price tag on that. I could fix this issue asking /boss ask $2,000. Now a boss issue summary gets created, which summarizes all the boss activity on this issue. We can see a total bounty of $1,000, and the bounties get broken out here. Notice that this bounty is automatically paid on close. And I'm asking $2,000 to solve and close the issue. That sounds about right. That's what I typed in there. Okay, great. Now let's look at this from the perspective of another user. Another user comes by, sees this issue, and says, hey, I've got that problem too. And maybe they want to pitch into on a bounty, so they add €1,000 to the bounty. And maybe they can fix it too, but they want €2,000 to fix it. And the issue summary gets updated. $1,000 and €1,000 is now the total bounty, with the summaries updated here accordingly. Okay, let's go back to user one, and let's close this issue. That's bug report or issue number 29 there. So let's close number 29. Pretend this closes number 29. Bug fix, close number 29. Now notice this syntax here. This is the special GitHub issue closing syntax. This tells GitHub that this commit is going to close issue number 29. It also works for inside of PRs. You want to be sure to use this so that GitHub knows that you are the person closing the issue, and therefore Boss will know that you're the person closing the issue, and it will send the money to the right person, that is you. Now you can use either a direct commit or you can create a new branch and create a PR. They both work the same. Just for brevity, I'm going to use a commit. All right, that got committed. The issue here got closed, and the issue summary got updated accordingly. The total bounty is €1,000 solved by me via this commit, and the bounty is getting paid automatically on close got updated. You see that the bounty I originally created of $1,000 got canceled because it wouldn't make any sense to send money to myself. So this is the sandbox version of Boss. So everything in this example is real except for the money. But if the money were real, it would be automatically transferred to my bank account over the next few days. If you'd like to learn more about Boss, go to www.boss.dev, and I invite you to be a Boss Dev.